Herbs and spices are a great way to marry flavors of earthiness and freshness into our cocktails. Some herbs are more delicate than others. For instance, with basil, you can't really put it on a grill, so what you do there is you use some grilled strawberries and muddle it down with fresh basil. In this case, we're going to use a rugged herb called rosemary, and we're going to pair that with honey. We're going to use the heat of the grill to marry these flavors together, and we're going to bring that wood-fired flavor to this next cocktail, the cucumber gimlet. There's no rules to this game. Throw some cinnamon, some cardamom, some black pepper, tying in all those wonderful flavors with that wood-smoked grill flavor, and celebrate. Cheers.